ay di linda. Hayaan mo silang magsasasayo, di ba? Asa na ba si Benedict? Hello, baby.
You po.
Nice to meet you too. I like your skin disease. Wait, I will.
I'm not yet there.
Okay, wait. I will take out my green tea. I will take out my green tea. I want to sit properly. Ayan.
Oh, I thought that was your house.
No, it's a prank. Ayo. Yes, I know may Kawayan Bulacan because I live in last moment in Giginto, Bulacan. Do you organize that Giginto, Bulacan?
Yes. I know. Gigito Bulacan. But it's like 1 hour away from here.
Oh, 1 hour away is not a pass away. It's not a long distance. We are neighbor town.
Yeah, neighbor town. How long is later from here?
How long is a very long as you have a money contest? Because if you have a money contest, you can ride Asia National High School. Yes. If you walking via Spartan, it's a very, very long.
Who are you from? Ay, who are you from? Who are you with right now?
What?
Who
Fardo?
are you with right now?
I'm with my madam because my madam is birthday right now, last birthday. Very happy and very thankful because you're here in my live wire right now. It's you're so very popular and I am a singular. What?
I'm plural.
Ah, oh my God. Wait, my voices we have aftertaste.
A little.
Oh my God, can you offline your, your phone? You destroyed my company.
May aftertaste.
O may echo ba?
Nagtatagalog ka naman pala eh.
Oo, practice lang, practice.
Akala ko naman iba yung language niya.
Eh, akala ko nga ano ka, Chinese Garter, Korea, kaya nag-English ako.
Pinoy ako.
At least,
Anong lingwahe sa Leyte?
waray.
Waray din yung bahay namin. Meron kaming kasambahay dito ang taga dyan din.
Ah! May kasambay kayong waray dyan?
Mabait siya.
Baka naghanap kayo ng aso dyan, Lady Dog, pwede ako. I can shouting ow, ow, ow 3 times a day.
Sample. Sample.
Anong gusto mo kasi yung ow, ow ko? Meron na nakakalibog, attractive, ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow.
Parang okay yun.
Okay yun ba yan ha? Parang, ow, ow, ow. Ow!
Kasi parang nakaka-dehydrate yun.
Yes, look at my face. It's dehydrated na. Sino ba yung Gio na yan?
Yan ba yung
Baka gwapo yan, wala na. Magsalsal na naman ako mamaya. Isa-isa lang. Bukas na yung isa.
Mahilig ka magana?
Depende.
Depende sa weather.
Oo, depende. Kung it's raining in Leyte, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Magsalsal ka sa gabi. Oo.
Kaya, ano ulam niyo?
Ano
Steak,
lang?
steak, steak.
Tubig lang, tsaka hangin. Tubig kanal. At tsaka dog food.
Alak din, alak. Ano iniinom niyo?
RHU. Oo.
Ano yun? RHU.
RHU.
Red Horse.
RHU University.
Red Horse University. Sarap naman. Shot tayo, shot.